What's up, it's INF here with Unison, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3 lo-fi and alternative beats for artists like Tyler the Creator, Mac Miller, and Anderson .Paak with Unison's Beatmaker Blueprint. Let's get it! Alright, before we get started, if you didn't know, the term lo-fi was coined by William Berger, who was a DJ. Now, lo-fi is short for low fidelity, and it pretty much embraces the imperfections of poorly recorded audio. You'll hear like a lot of effects such as vinyl crackle and pitch and modulation in a lot of lo-fi records, as that's like the main aesthetic or one of the main aesthetics. Let's get into it. Right, let's go straight to melody loops, lo-fi and alternative, audio loops, and take some of these samples for a spin. Gee. These chords are crazy. I'm telling you, these loops, midis, and samples, like, they all come hit ready. The question is, are you ready? Ooh. Kaliuchis would body this. Yeah, let's get into that one. MIDI and stems. Let's see, lost. Alright, let's grab these samples and drag them right over to the playlist. Drag them here. Cool. Now let's go get some drums. Drum loops. Lo-fi and alternative combination loops, MIDI, and let's grab these drums here and drag them down below. Import tempo and time signature data into arrangement. You already know. Let's have a listen to them all together. Oh, that's the vibe. Hey. Crazy. What a vibe. Now let's add some pitch and modulation to the guitar. I feel like it needs a little bit of a razzle dazzle kind of vibe in there, just to shake things up and warp that sound. So let's go to audio effects, pitch and modulation, and we're going to go to phaser flanger. And we're going to click on doubler. And let's just solo the guitar and listen to it without the flanger on it. Okay, now let's listen to it with it on. All right, now let's turn this feedback up and amount down to about 50%. And let's just bring the volume up to about -12. And let's have a listen to the whole beat. Adjust the volumes to your preference. It's all about how you feel. Alright, before we move on to the next one, I'm gonna slice this up and add some distortion to the beat. So let's head over to the master channel, make sure we got that highlighted, go to audio effects, and let's click drive and color, go down to pedal, drag that to the left, and have a listen to it with it turned on. Way too much crunch there, so let's take that down to 50% and have one more listen. Still way too high. Let's half that and bring it down to 25. Much better. Okay, now I'm going to remove the bass and the guitar. Let the Rhodes just bring that in. Take the drums out. And let's play it from the top. Let me know in the comments who you think will body this beat. Yeah. Alright, now let's move on to the next one. Let's go. Alright, it's time to go crazy on this next beat. Let's go to melody loops, lo-fi and alternative audio loops, and let's have a listen. Ooh. 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 Oh. Listen to those chords, man. Counter melody. Sheesh. Nah, let's work with that. MIDI and stems, major. Let's slide those over. Slide those files over, smacked it into the Ableton playlist. Alright, now let's get some drums. Lo-fi and alternative. Click on major. And let's drag these MIDI files over. Import tempo and time signature data into arrangement. Come on, man, we've done this before. Alright, let's have a listen. Hit ready, man, I'm telling you. Alright, let's head over to some melodic shots and check out this folder. I want something that complements this beat here. Something that adds a little flavor. Oh, I like that. Alright, let's add that and drag that down to the bottom here. Zoom right in. Turn the volume down. A bit too loud. I want it to sit in the mix and not really overpowering any of the other loops and samples I've got happening. So let's just turn that down. Dope. Duplicate that and throw it there. Consolidate, Command J. Duplicate it again. I'm going to zoom in here and just chop it up a little bit. Let's actually take that out. I'm going to duplicate this part, and that can mimic that percussion. Consolidate once again, duplicate it. Should sound like this. But for this part here, I'm going to grab this again, duplicate that sound, bring it to the end here, and I'm going to reverse this part. Right click, reverse the clip. And let's see. Sweet, that will do. Command J again, duplicate it. Perfect, there we go. Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna come clean. The more I listen to it, the more out of key it sounds. I'm gonna just double click on it and bring the pitch down. Let's go 10. That's way better. Now let's add some effects on it. Audio effects, pitch and modulation, chorus ensemble, and let's throw some vibrato on it. Turn up the warmth. Let's solo that. Give that nice distorted sound. A little extra texture on it. And that's how easy it is, man. Beatmaker Blueprint, everything is there for you. It's hit ready, it's placement ready. All these sounds, loops, midis, and samples, 100% royalty free and copyright free. Unison.audio, man, go check it out. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, let's get started on the third and final lo-fi and alternative beat with the Unison Beatmaker Blueprint. Let's hit drum loops this time. Lo-fi and alternative, combination loops. Let's go audio and have a listen to some of these drum samples. Ooh. These drums are crazy. Hey. 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 I like the tambourine in that one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, let's go with that. Let's go to MIDI. Let's grab these drums and drag them below. Smack them into the playlist. Import tempo and time signature data into arrangement. Yes, sir. Now let's go get some melody loops. Lo-fi and alternative. Let's go click on audio loops and have a listen. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Ooh. All right, man. Like I said, you can't miss with any of these. This hit ready. Let's go down to yesterday. Grab these stems and slide them over there. Let's have a listen to the whole thing. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. All right, now let's add some MIDI keys to it. I'm going to go to the side here, go to instruments, and I'm going to type in lo-fi keys, maybe. And, well, there you go, synth keys. Oh, man. Shy lo-fi keys. Let's drag that to the bottom here. See if that will. Okay. Turn down the volume. Let's find the key. Oh, let's record that real quick. Let's record that real quick. Record. I'm sure I got it in the first go. So let's just go back here. Drag this down. I'm going to delete this part here because I like the first part better. Double click and in the piano roll if you want to quantize it, because it's definitely going to be out of time. Let's just have a listen. It's kind of got a nice effect to it. It's kind of got like a humanized vibe there. So let's just keep it like that. Let's just keep it like that. I'm going to duplicate all of these right to the end and Command J to consolidate that. And let's add some audio effects on there. So we go to pitch and modulation, phaser, flanger. Make sure we've got that highlighted. And let's take some double mirror. Let's drag that down to the bottom here. Solo, and let's see what it sounds like. take the wetness up to max volume. Oh, that sounds cool. Yeah, let's see what it sounds like all together. Now you can double click on the piano roll, and if you push Command A, and you can transpose this whole segment up 1 octave by holding Shift, and either you can arrow up or arrow down to transpose. So I'm going to go up. Kind of stands out. Kind of got like an Outcast effect. All right, let's change the snare because I feel like it's a little too high for me. Too high pitched. So let's bring it down a couple notes. Perfect. Remember Command A to select all your notes in the piano roll, and you can use the up and down arrow keys to change the note. Dope. Let's just have a listen to it one more time. Fire. Now I'm just gonna quickly chop this up, remove all the drums, take out the trombone for a little bit, remove the bass and the noise. Let's just zoom into this part here because what I want to do is swap the trombone out for the organ or vice versa. And I want to bring the trombone in that last bar here. Let's have a listen. Yeah, just like that. One more time from the top. Yeah. Comment below who you think will sound fire on this beat. Now if you want all the midis, loops, samples that I used in these beats plus over 9,000 more, click the button below and check out the Unison Beatmaker Blueprint now. Go make some fire.